Out of all the reindeers, you know you're the mastermind.
Charging again. Oh boy. Oh boy. That's what I'm talking about. Alright guys, this is what I bought from Amazon that we're going to be installing into the Tesla car. It's weird how I'm pulling it up now, it says it's unavailable. So that's a little sketchy to begin with, right? So we're going to be installing the wireless charging. In the Tesla car, it's a hassle to even put your phone to charge due to having a case. This thing is about $70, $80. And wow, it's currently unavailable. What the?
Maybe they're sold out.
So my return is eligible till April 17 in case things doesn't work out. I mean by shade number 1, guys. Look at this package here, right? It's pretty shady, I would say. I feel like I just got off a seller that sells fake goods. I don't think this is gonna be like a real good. We might actually have to return it. Look just by the design of it, nothing. And the instruction, it's only get better from there, guys. Alright, and this is all it came with. Installation is basically one piece of paper telling you how to install. And this is as unprofessional as it gets. I don't think they're, I don't understand. So even the $8 charging cables, the box looks way more professional than the wireless charging of the Tesla. Have you guys ever bought something from Amazon that kind of resonate with this? And now when you go on the website, it's unavailable. Alright, opening this up. Yeah, so we got the Tesla pad. It's the wireless pad that we're gonna be putting in. Ooh, guys, it's raining hard outside. Alright, we're here to put this little wireless charging baby in. If you guys know, this thing is such a hassle to put your phone in charge, because if you have a case on, most of the time it doesn't fit in there, so it's a really pointless charging station. You have to remove your phone case in order to plug in your phone. For example, look, it doesn't even charge because of the case. Everything is plugged in. It's not good. So in order to fix that problem, I ordered the wireless charging pad, right? So it's the same as that, but it's wireless charging. So we're gonna be taking this off, which is supposed to be pretty easy. You just disconnect these right here. Take out this. I'm gonna take that out first, guys. If someone break it, it's not me, okay? So this was the old cable. This is the new cable. Plug it in. And the light is on. So, moment of truth.
Let's try it with the case.
Woo!
Yes.
I'm gonna save this. You know, look at all this scratch up. Trying to charge this thing was a hassle, guys. What I'm doing today is that I'm gonna be doing the summon. We're gonna be summoning the Tesla. Hey, look at this. We're about to test out the wireless charging again. Oh boy. Oh boy. That's what I'm talking about. No hassle, guys. Woohoo! Let's reverse. Car of the future, guys. This is the Iron Man. If you enjoyed the video, I do have a referral code that you can, if you're planning on purchasing a Tesla Model 3, Model Y, Model S, Model X, keep it sexy, guys, right? I do have a referral link. You get a free 1,000 miles supercharging. If you find this video helpful at all, please use my code, and I'll leave it in the description box down below as well. Thank you, guys. Guys, it's super rainy today. I feel a lot safer driving a Tesla today, guys. More safer than usual.
over 2 generations. I'm little bro and big bro all at once. Just at the lab with them 21 Savage. I'm about to go on me, chicken for lunch.
Guys, this is so crazy. Like driving without autopilot, I feel so much safer in the autopilot with my hands and ready to take over when I needed to. But as of right now, everything is so smooth. I don't have to take over anything yet, but I'm patiently watching. Look at this heavy rain. So much cars too, guys. I feel so safe right now.
Oh, you meant to record me?
Her? No. I'm distracted. Look at all this wine. Huh, temptation. They're not $5 wine like Target though. Oh, never mind. I found it. Yes, one for me and none for Corey, guys.
Yeah, right. I want to eat it right now.
Just one, and then let's grab some of that smoked
I want the
belly.
corner.
Ooh, yes.
Oh, look at the thickness of that. I don't know why, but they look so yummy.
Green beans with bacon. I think you're just hungry, honey.
You think?
At first, we were thinking about doing a taste test. We were about to get one of each of these cakes, but then we decided, for the better judgment, not to get it. So if you guys would like to see us taste all these cakes, leave a comment down below. Man, look at all these bread too. Guys, I'm in heaven. Guys, do not, and I repeat, do not come here hungry. You better have some snack, you know, eat the little breakfast, snack before you come here, because this place will get you very, very hungry. She's a children, you guys. Can't take her nowhere. Right, this is my kind of aisle, you guys. We're gonna be tasting all these different beers for you guys on our next video. So we went with the chocolate, the strawberry, the apricot, and the oatmeal stout.
Well, babe, at least it's not Sephora and you don't have a lot of line to it. Oh, this is quick. We're gonna get this. This is $25 value. But you can get for $15.99, and just for the day night cream is $15.99, and it's included in the small kit. So it's a try on. Thank you, baby. You're buying this for me.
I'm expecting Apple Pay soon.
Nope.
Ho ho ho!
Out of all the reindeers, you know you're the mastermind. Run, run, Rudolph, run up Lincoln Park. Run, Rudolph, Santa's coming to town.
Home Alone?
Oh my. watching, guys. We love you.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Bye.